Hi, it's Miss Janet here from the Stouffville Library. I'm here with a STEM activity for you today, and as you can see, I'm outside. I'm enjoying the beautiful day, and this is a perfect activity for you to do outside. It is a treasure hunt, a form of a treasure hunt. It's a senses treasure hunt. Do you know what your five senses are? Everyone has five senses. We have a sense of hearing, a sense of smell, a sense of touch, a sense of taste, and a sense of sight, what we can see. So what we can hear, what we can smell, what we can see, what we can taste, and what we can feel. So you could just go outside in your backyard and see what you can hear. I don't know if you can hear in the background. I hear a piece of big equipment. I don't know if it's a bulldozer or what. That's what I can hear. I just heard a bird chirping. Oh, there he goes again. So you can hear all kinds of things when the wind's blowing. I hear the wind rustling the leaves behind me. I went and I collected a few things that I found when I went on a little walk. So sometimes we pick up things, and I picked this up and I see I could use my sense of touch and see how it feels. The stem is smooth. The sense of sight, because I can see that the flowers are a purpley blue color, so that's pretty cool. I can use, and I can even sniff it to see if I can smell the flower, if the flower has a smell. Let's see what else I have in my bag that I picked up. Oh yes, I picked up a leaf. I guess I only picked up one, and it was kind of a dried up leaf. It was just laying on the path, so I can see that it looks very dry and wrinkled and crinkly, and it's kind of an orangey browny color. And if I touch it, it's kind of rough, and it is just a dried up old leaf. What else did I pick up? I picked up a piece of wood. And this piece of wood, it has some bark off and some bark on. Where it's off, it's nice and smooth. Where the bark is, it's kind of rough and rugged. What else did I pick up? I picked up a stone. And this stone, it's pretty smooth, but sometimes you can pick up rocks and they are very jagged and sharp. And I also picked up one other flower. Who can tell me what color of flower this is? This is a yellow flower. So I picked up a purpley blue flower and a yellow flower. I found lots of different colors when I was on my walk. So that's a fun thing to do, to look around and see and listen. Oh, here comes the wind. It's blowing my hair and I can hear it rustling the leaves. And you can just experience nature using all of your senses. So that's an awesome thing to do. I hope that you will step outside today and hear and see and touch and smell all the different things, or you can do it inside too. So whatever works for you today, but have an awesome treasure hunt, a senses treasure hunt. So have fun with that, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.